Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What's going on, everyone? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we'll be going through some of the best Polo G samples you can get. So that is in the AT the GOAT MIDI and Melody Loop Pack. So you guys get MIDIs as well as loops. I'm going to pull it up right here. We're going to go through it and use one of the samples to make a beat out of it. So let's... I've already made a beat to that one. So I'm going to go to 150 first. Or actually what I'm going to do is auto detect it. What we're doing right now is stretching these samples to the BPM that they are, so they fit the time measurement of whatever our project is. So because our project is 140, but these samples are 150, we got to set the samples time to the timing of them. So if these were to be 160, then we would type in 160 here. But there. So at 140 beats per minute, it sounds like this. And if you guys need to figure out the key, what we could do is record this recording. Alright. E major. I wonder if this would be cool. So if it's E major, C sharp minor, that might be right. So for the drums, I'm going to be using the AT Sound Kit 6. So what we could do is if we come back down to the GOAT, we're doing brothers. Yeah. MIDI, brothers. Alright, so we kind of got a good little drum breakdown. Let's see what this might sound like. We're gonna probably do all the mixing after. Just gonna go through and get
Beat It AT, what up?
this laid out as much as we can.
Beat It AT, what up?
Let's see about this. So we could probably add. Let's create an automation clip of this.
Beat It AT, what up?
Alright, that's how you can make a Polo G type beat. I think we made this whole thing in we made the whole thing in about 26 minutes, so I'm gonna probably chop up this video a little bit, cut through some of the monotony or whatever, the stuff that isn't that interesting. So, but yeah, this is making a Polo G type beat. I used mostly only 2 sample packs, AT the Goat Melody and MIDI loop kit and the AT Sound Kit 6, and you guys can get both of those like in an exclusive one-time deal. I'll put the link to it down in the description down below if you guys want to get the sample packs separately. Like, let's say you already got drums, or let's say you need the drums but you don't need the melodies, or you need the melodies. I'll put the separate links down in the description down below. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions or need any help, be sure to leave a comment down below, and be sure to also click the subscribe button and push bell notification if you want to see more videos like this. This is Andrew, Beat It AT. Now go ahead and play the full beat for you guys.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?